Hi, today we are making a caprese salad with some Atlas extra virgin olive oil. It's amazing. Olive oil matters, and I want to show you why. First, let me thank the brand for sending this to me to try it out so I can share it with you. Let's get started. So, do you think a single ingredient can completely change your cooking? I didn't, but now I do. Today we're creating a simple caprese salad. We're putting it together now. And this isn't your average supermarket oil. It comes from olives grown in the rare climate of the Moroccan Atlas Mountains. So they pride themselves on creating 100% organic, single-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Because it's only pressed once, it helps lock in the maximum health benefits, and it stays completely free from added chemicals. Watch how beautifully this pours. The aroma is incredibly complex. You get hints of almonds, culinary herbs, and some people say sweet banana. There's also kind of a citrusy, possibly lemon flavor. This exact oil is trusted by award-winning restaurants and luxury hotels worldwide. Check it out if you love cooking with olive oil. Thank you to the brand, and thank you for watching.